In this video, we're going to go through the process of logging into your Annotate account and adding either a blank notebook or adding content from your drive in order to project it onto your LED screen. So you're going to go to annotate.net and then you're going to click the login/join button. Once there, you're going to click sign in with Google and it will log you into your Annotate account. It will put you in your content library. Unless you've added content, you probably won't see anything there. So the way that we're going to add content is to go to the bottom right-hand corner and click this pink plus sign button. If you just want a blank white notebook, so just whiteboard in order to be able to write, you want to click this first option, notebook. You can name your notebook and click create. And then it will create your new blank notebook where you can write, you can change your pens, you've got highlighter, eraser, you can type text as well. If you want to add new pages, you click that pink plus sign again and click add a page if you want to have multiple pages in your blank notebook file. When you are ready to add and project this for students, you're going to click this little projector button. This looks like a little screen. Since you're going to be in person with your students, most likely I would turn off this streaming option and then click start. And notice it does give an open enrollment or a course pin. That would be for students to be able to join. It is a limited number of students with this account. So you can click OK, and once you are in there, then you are able to write on that blank notebook file. When you are finished with it, you can click this red getting out of the projection button, and it asks if you want to end. When you're ready, you click end. Notice it does save the file and any of the annotations that you've made onto it. So if we click this back button, it will go back to your My Content, and that lesson will still live there. If you would like to keep it, refer back to it, build onto it later, it will still be there. If you want to add a lesson, say Google Slides that you have from your drive, you're going to go through the same process. We're going to click this pink plus sign, but instead of notebook this time, we're going to go up to the top and click import content. Notice you can drag files there, but you can also import from Google Drive. You click on your account, and then it will pull up your account. So I'm going to search my drive for a Google Slides file. I'm going to pick this one and click select. You can rename it here. You have that option. When you have it named the way that you want to, you're going to click import. It will take a few seconds, sometimes minutes, in order to load that file into your drive or into your Annotate. Once the Google Slides has been added to your Annotate, once you click on it, you will have your slides file into Annotate, and then from there, again, you are able to write if you want to underline things, and you will see all of what were slides are now pages in the Annotate file. When you're finished, you can, of course, present, we talked about before, or you can hit this back button in the top left-hand corner to go back to your content. One neat thing about this is any content that you have loaded into Annotate, if you click on the three dots, and then you click on share. You have the option to share these files. So notice down here you can share privately. You can turn that on. You have a public link that you can share, and there's also an embed code that you can take, and you can embed this into your LMS in order for students to be able to use it to reference it at a later date. Hope you found this helpful.